Welcome back to DSGYT. Now we will be showcasing the toolbox mod for Android. So first we're gonna show you how to download it. So first you go to the apps Play Store I meant. So you see, let me get out of it. Okay, now you definitely need Minecraft Pocket Edition. So once you got that, you're ready. So don't get out of your Play Store. Keep on going. I think you need Block Launcher. So Block Launcher, get that one. Don't get the Pro one because they're the same. And then after that, you want to get the toolbox. Right here, copy it. Pause it if you need to. And there, open. This is the toolbox. Okay. And yeah. So yeah, it's completely awesome. And for now, we are going to show you some gameplay. Let me go in the world I recorded today. So yeah, I'm just getting my AdSense account completed. Okay, so we're gonna press play. Oh, the Smasher is... My brother did it, I think. Yeah. Okay, let's just go in my world. Oh, this booth. Yeah, still invisible. So this is I'm gonna feature it. So you can, there's waypoints in this toolbox. This is OP. This is overpowered. This mod is overpowered, and you could even use them on the server. You can use it on a server. That's crazy, guys. But if they don't let you, if you fly, you'll get banned. But you can use the X-ray and you can speed, which is awesome. You could X-ray for chest and yeah, right. And you could use the speed. The speed is awesome. I have the speed on, so when you're in deathmatch and they're about to punch you and or use a sword on you, just run, and then use your sword to attack them like this. Okay. So yeah, awesome. This thing is definitely awesome, and you can search anything. There's even some stuff not even in the game. I'm gonna search for diamond stuff. So you see that, completely diamond. And they even brought in the glowing obsidian. Get it? Look at the glowing obsidian. Observe it, guys. Look at that. Total wrecking machine. It's a wrecking machine. Look at this. Toolbox is insane. It's awesome. You guys should get it. So guys, this thing is awesome. And we done it. We made the square in the nether reactor before. Awesome, right guys? And also you can enchant your items. Crazy, you could enchant it.